Okay, we are at Honoapu Harbor, and there's a magpie. I think you're looking for a handout. Hey, magpie, you want a piece of egg roll? Here, brah. Here, look it. I know it's fried and fat, but you know, it's all I got. Don't go out in front of a car, brah. Jeez. There you go. Yeah, get it off the road, brah. You don't want to be smashed flat eating your goddamn egg roll. Ah, gee, oh man. Sorry, brah. Hey, look at, you know what? We're gonna get this off the road for you here, dude. It's yours. I ain't gonna take it. You can have it back. Just don't go out on the road with it, brah. Here. Eat it. Get in the bushes. Okay. Oh, look at here's. Oh no. Oh, I can't even remember the name of it. Anyway, it's Whittington Harbor. And there's Whittington Harbor. Now, the smoke from the volcano is coming in. There's a fog out there. It looks like fog. They call it fog. It's smoke and fog from the volcano. And it's going out there. The volcano's over there, way up there. It goes out like this, goes out in the ocean, and then the ocean breeze pushes it back in. And sometimes it comes right back in here, but it goes over there. Those people are bringing the smoke over there by Ocean View. So lucky. The winds are coming from the, it looks like the east-northeast, and mixing with the sea breeze. So it's going to go around in a circle here. There's up in the mountains there, which is like there's a bunch of cows up there hanging out. Anyway, there it goes. Whittington Harbor. I think it's called Honoapu, something like Honoaku, something like that. And there you go. It is about 10 o'clock in the morning. I think it's April 19th. There goes my buddy John in his tow truck. He towed my truck yesterday. Anyway, there's Highway 11 facing westbound towards Kona. And there you go. There's Ginger, and we're going down to Whittington to go take some pictures down there. Aloha.